Dr. Ambubani Ramdas.
So, thank you very much, sir. I'd like to bring an important issue to notice of this House regarding not only India but the entire world, that is climate change. Sir, about 150 years before, the average temperature of the Earth was 14 degrees centigrade. So today, after the Industrial Revolution, it has increased by 1.1 degrees. That is, it has come to 15.1 degrees centigrade. So this 1 degree increase of temperature itself is causing huge global natural calamities. And it's time that we all took action against that, sir. So taking India this year, we had this Bombay deluge floods, and then 4 cyclones in the Arabian Sea this season, which is earlier it has not been happening. And we had a cyclone during the summer in Orissa this year. So this year in Ooty, near Ooty, a place called Avalanche in Tamil Nadu, we had rainfall of 911 millimeters in one day. That is the highest recorded ever in Tamil Nadu, whereas the entire state's average rainfall for one whole year is only 950 millimeters. This year, sir, we had the warmest temperatures happening in Europe, and we have huge forest fires. So the climate change is because of burning of fossil fuel, and of course a coal-based thermal plants, pollution, vehicles, and so on. And the reason why this increase of temperature is because of greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, nitrous oxide, methane, CFC, HFC, ozone, and so on. So India is one of the signatories to the United Nations Framework Convention on Climate Change, Paris Declaration in 2015. And I indulge the government to immediately declare a state of climate emergency. That's right. And take action on action plan for climate emergency, sir. It is our responsibility, and rather than blaming for historic emissions the Western world, which is the reason for the climate change, but we have to take action like reduction of fossil fuel, reduction of coal-based thermal plants, increase of non-conventional energy like solar, wind, and hydro, afforestation, and increase of public transit systems. It should be given priority. And the reduction of rearing of cattle for human consumption, which is the cause of methane. And of course, urban planning issues. These should be prioritized by the government. And in fact, 5 countries in the world have declared climate emergencies, sir. And lots of cities all across the world have declared climate emergencies. So it is right time that the government of India declares a state of climate emergency and take emergency action against this climate change, so that not only India is saved, but the entire world is saved. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Mani. But the only thing is, see, emergency measure important, that's why I admit it. Emergency measures, I understand. The moment you declare emergency, it will have its own effects and side effects, including visits to the country, etc. But anyhow, you have brought a matter to the notice of the government. Let the government apply its mind, see other implications also.
இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்தா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க.